till life's no fun. All I really gotta do is live and die, but I'm in a hurry and don't know why. Don't know why I have to drive so fast.
Welcome back to MOTOBLADE, guys. Today I'm going to give you guys a little bit of an update what's kind of going on and what's going to be happening on the channel coming up. There are going to be some pretty big changes to life in general, and it will affect the channel, not in a bad way, but I just want to give you guys a heads up of what's going to be coming on MOTOBLADE. Woo! So as some of you might know, I've talked a bit about it in a few of my videos. I'm finishing up a master's degree down here in Tennessee, outside of beautiful Chattanooga. And I graduate this December, finally, thank goodness. It's been a long 2.5 years, and right now, I'm sorry that the posts have been a little less frequent, but my master's thesis is kicking my ass right now. So once that is done, and I finish up this clinical internship, and I take my boards and all that crap, it's going to be a lot easier. But all that being said, I'm also going to be moving, and I mentioned that in I think one of my previous videos, but I'm going to be moving to Vermont. And not to be political or anything in my videos, but I'm not moving to Vermont because the state is great, because there are some issues there, but I'm moving there because it's beautiful. We love the mountains, we love the snow, and Mrs. MOTOBLADE and I have some land up there that we're going to move up to and settle down on. And the riding up there is going to be absolutely beautiful. So there's going to be some awesome rides and awesome videos coming up. And we also have a plan of one day moving out to Montana to get out to even the bigger mountains and get out west, bigger wide open spaces. So that's kind of the plan right now. But this December we'll be moving to Vermont, and that means the bike is going to go into storage for the winter. Now, if there are some warm-up days, you can bet your ass I'm going to get the bike out up there, and we're going to tear it up and have fun. I've got all kinds of winter riding gear for snowmobiles and all that crap, so I'm not worried about the cold. I am worried about the road conditions, because they salt the roads and they scrape the roads up there pretty darn well, but it can still be kind of slushy and really slick, and I do not want to take my Chieftain out there in those conditions. So with all that being said, let's talk about some updates to the channel. I'm going to try and film as many videos as I can before I head out, so I've got some good content for you guys to keep watching and keep your riding dreams alive through the wintertime. But I've also got a nice garage up there where we're going to be, and I can put the bike in the garage and we can do all kinds of indoor maintenance and upgrade and how-to videos throughout the wintertime. So the channel is going to take a bit of a different switch for the winter, where we'll be inside working on the bike and doing all kinds of fun stuff indoors where it's warm and there's not 5 feet of snow. But the important thing is there will be new videos throughout the winter, so don't fret about that. I also want to take a quick second here to mention Patreon. I've got a Patreon set up for MOTOBLADE, so if you guys want to support the channel more than just watching and subscribing and liking the vids, and that is all you need to do, is just watch the videos, subscribe, like the videos. I appreciate that a lot. If you guys feel compelled to help the channel in a little bit more of a monetary way, Patreon's the place to do it. Not required by any means, but if anyone would like to help there, I would greatly appreciate it. You guys are awesome, and thank you for supporting the channel. Okay, that's my quick plug for Patreon. We're going to move away from that. I also wanted to talk about the upcoming Florida Motovlogger meetup. I know that's coming up on November 17th. For those of you who watch any of the channels like Do It With Dan, Blockhead, of course Blockhead you guys know if you've been around my channel. He's my guy. He inspired me to get on a motorcycle in the first place. Blockhead, Do It With Dan, Shade Tree Surgeon, Photogrammer, those guys are all going to be... You know, I'm thinking it might be a cool trip to run down there and run back. I have to be in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee on November 18th, Sunday evening the next day. So it would probably be like an early Saturday morning, November 17th, get up and ride all the way to Florida, meet the motovloggers in Orlando, catch up, hang out, promote the channel a little bit, and then head back Saturday night, maybe camp somewhere, and then head the rest of the way on Sunday morning. But I've been thinking about that. I might do it. it sounds like a cool trip. I'd love to take a long ride on the Chieftain, especially at night, just cruising down 75 into Florida all by myself. That would be kind of fun in my book. So if the weather permits, that might be happening. We'll see. That would be my longest ride, definitely, ever, on any of the motorcycles I've owned, as far as a single ride is concerned. But I think it could be a lot of fun. Get some t-shirts made up for MOTOBLADE, get some decals on the bike. You know, that's good 600-700 miles from me, I think. And so that would be a good long promotional ride to get people interested in the channel and get this channel pumped up over 3,000. Once I get up to Vermont, I'm also going to do some skiing videos. I'm going to be living just like minutes outside of a nice ski resort up there. And so I am a ski racer. I talked about that in my 3x3 motovlogging challenge video. And I freaking love skiing, and I love filming while I'm skiing. And with the new Hero 7 Black and the stabilization, I think that'll be an awesome change of pace. Once in a while, I'll throw a hot ski video up on the channel for you guys, like a cool GoPro action ski bum video. And those will be coming over the winter. Try and get some good drone shots in there too. Yeah, buddy. Get some. I also want to ask you guys if there are any kind of videos that you find useful that you would like me to do while the bike is in the garage this winter. Is there any sort of maintenance tips or anything that you guys would like me to film that you're interested in? Let me know down in the comments. Give me some suggestions if there's something you want. I'm going to have plenty of time to film videos, and so I'll try to hit up some of the ideas you guys give, and hopefully you can make some really good, useful stuff for you all. Because at the end of the day, you guys are the lifeblood of this channel. I appreciate every single one of you crazy subscribers out there, and I want to give you guys the content that you're looking for. So if there's something you got on your mind, let me know. The only problem about being all the way up there in Vermont is going to be test rides. Now, I do have a good Harley dealership up there, I know that. So I will be able to keep bringing you guys awesome Harley Davidson test drive videos. And I think there may be a Kawasaki dealer as well. As far as an Indian dealer is concerned, the nearest one is like 400 something miles away, I think. It's down in New York, and I refuse to go to New York just because of ridiculous taxes, and also I can't carry there with my permit. So I will be going the opposite direction to the Indian dealership in Maine, which is a little bit further. But I can carry, and it's going to be beautiful videos through the mountains. We're going to do stuff like Mount Washington rides and all kinds of cool crap. It's going to be awesome living up there for a little while, and I'll get all kinds of great videos for you guys up there. That's going to do it for this quick video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do that. Click on the big red button down there. It's hard to miss. Click the bell icon next to it. That'll give you guys notifications when there are new videos ready for you to watch right here on MOTOBLADE. Hit me up on Patreon again if you guys would like to support the channel in a more monetary way. I'd appreciate that a lot. Don't have to, but that would be awesome if you guys did. All right, until next time, y'all, be careful. Ugh. We're going to try that send-off again. Until next time, y'all, be careful. Ride safe, ride on. I'll catch y'all later. Deuces.